Ever felt broken? Like life just crushed you flat?
That's exactly why this video exists.
Because Naruto's quotes, the words that carried him from nobody to Hokage, hit hardest when you feel broken and don't know how to keep going. Today, I'll show you the Naruto quotes that hit the hardest when you feel broken, and the lessons inside them that help you stand back up. So if you've ever been at rock bottom, this is your reminder. Broken doesn't mean finished. Everyone hits that wall, but Naruto's words gives us a blueprint for breaking through. 3 quotes, 3 lessons, from feeling invisible to reclaiming hope, to pushing forward when you've got nothing left. And the last one, it's more than just a line. It's a philosophy you can carry for life. When you're broken, words aren't fluff. They're anchors. They remind you pain doesn't have to be permanent. Naruto's whole story is proof. Mocked, ignored, alone. But his quotes, his mantras, became his fuel. I've clung to single sentences before. Words other people thought were cheesy. But for me, they were lifelines. Sometimes, one line was enough to keep me breathing. Ignore these lessons and you risk staying broken. Embrace them, and like Naruto, you stand tall even when the weight feels unbearable. Chunin exams. Naruto versus Neji. The entire stadium whispered, Naruto's doomed. Neji had the Byakugan. He was Fate's golden child. Naruto, just the clown, the dropout, the one nobody believed in. When Neji told him fate was already written, Naruto fired back with his Nindo. The first trap, environment. When you're broken, voices around you echo doubt. You'll never make it. You're not cut out for this. That's NPC noise. Your fix? Claim your Nindo. Write it. Say it. Keep it visible. I had a professor once tell me flat out, you don't belong in this field. And I almost believed it. For days I replayed that line until I wrote my own. I don't quit on myself. I slapped it on my wall. It looked stupid, but weeks later, when I was ready to walk away, that one line glared back at me. It wasn't fluff. It was a promise. And promises change how you move. Think of Naruto on the swing. Every glare, every whisper told him, you're worthless. But his Nindo was louder. Tatabayo. Naruto screamed this with bruises on his face, while people laughed at him. His point? Purpose fueled presence. The trap. When broken, your body shows it. But Naruto flipped posture into presence. He shouted it loud, enough for rooftops to hear. Your fix? Pair posture with purpose. I used to mumble my goals like I was embarrassed. But the first time I actually said them out loud, alone in my room, my whole body shifted. My chest lifted. My voice steadied. It felt real. The next day, people literally asked, what's different about you? Same me, different posture. I will be Hokage! Naruto told this to Neji, who believed destiny was fixed. That some were born to win, others doomed to lose. That's the cognitive trap. Destiny thinking. This is who I am. I'll never escape this. But Naruto shattered it. Keep moving, and anything is possible. Your fix? The single swing rule. One action in 10 seconds. There was a week I thought my future was sealed. Everything felt locked. Every day proved it more. But I forced myself to do one thing. Send one email, and it cracked the loop. That one action didn't fix everything, but it proved I wasn't finished. That's all I needed to keep going. Myth. Willpower is discipline. Truth. It's discipline is design. Naruto didn't muscle his way into Hokage. He stacked rituals. His Nindo. His declaration. His swings. Brokenness isn't weakness. It's material. Naruto's strongest moments came while bleeding. Doubted. Alone. The cracks weren't proof of failure. They were proof of resilience. I used to think being broken meant I was finished. Now I see. It's proof I've been tested. Before, slumped. Broken. After, standing. Declaring. Moving with purpose. Pain is proof you're alive. And if you're alive, you can keep moving. Your action checklist today. 1. Claim your Nindo. Write one line. 2. Pair posture with purpose. Speak your why. 3. Break loops with a single swing. When you're broken, the smallest act is a win. Don't underestimate it. One sticky note on your wall, one loud declaration, one swing at the loop. That's how Naruto rebuilt, and that's how you rise too. Which Naruto quote carried you through your hardest time? Drop it below, and I may feature it in the next vid. For deeper dives and bonus content, join us on Patreon. It's cheaper than a latte from Starbucks. Until next time, friends, under the glow of stars, we forge our future together. Captain Geo Bravo signing off. Peace.